Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to TECNO Spark 10 Pro. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, you need to set it up. You can do that only by tapping on the same options on both smartphones. Start by clicking on I agree at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the second one. Sorry, misclick. I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Either way, to close it, hit OK. And select Close in white pop-up at the top. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of TECNO. Also on Spark 10 Pro, tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Oppo. Now you can use all of those categories available at the top to pick multiple files that you wish to send. Then hit Send next to Selected in order to transfer them. I will go with this song and those two pictures. Now it's time to select Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, you need to tap on the scanning icon right next to Input key. Allow camera access and point your TECNO's camera at the code. You can also input this key into Input key section. And select Receive. So when I click, as you can see, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!